Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have a video that I had to shoot before I left for vacation because this phone is driving me absolutely bonkers. I have the phone upside down first. Let me tell you, don't know how well you can see because the screen's on, but you can see me. There are many bubbles on this screen and there are scratches. I took pictures. I'll throw the pictures in here because they're going to do better justice than me trying to show you on video how badly this phone scratched up. I had a scratch on the screen protector in the first 24 hours of me having the phone, and bubbles and a scratch, which I can't seem to get out within 48. We're going to install this because we're going on vacation with matte screen protectors, people. So let's get started. As always, links will be in the description for these items. I got a set with the front screen and the inner screen. I will be completely removing the front screen protector because this is just unusable at this point. The inner screen protector I will install on top. People always ask me, can I remove the screen protector? I can't give you a yes or no because I haven't tried it. I was a lot more adventurous with my Samsungs than I am with these. Inside, I'm putting it on top. Outside, I'm removing it and just installing it on the screen itself. So we're doing outside first. So bye-bye gloss, hello matte. Let's see if I can get the edge of this again. Yes, because my text button is right there. It's going to keep opening up my text messages. So bye-bye dirty gloss screen protector. And because I removed that, I'm going to come through with the wipes, which have gotten a lot smaller. Remember, we've been doing these videos for a while. So I'm just going to wipe it down. And I'm gonna dry it off. If you question the screen responsiveness, you see it's very responsive. Now there's two ways we can go from here. For me, usually I don't use the absorbent dust remover because the screen protector itself has a sticky on it that takes things off, but just for kicks, because I see some lint, I'm gonna go this way. Now that we've reasonably removed all the dust off the screen, we're going to come through with our screen protector. And of course, this is always challenging from behind the camera, but I got you. Step one, because they have 1, 2, 3 on the sides. Try to use the camera as your guide. See, I have a big gap at the bottom, so I'm going to bring this down just a tad. Now that I'm pretty much happy with how it's on the screen, I'm going to come through with this and just smooth out all the bubbles that I can. And remember, this isn't your final go through because there's steps 2 and 3, which are the actual screen protector. Think I'm good with this. A couple bubbles, but we're going to roll with it. I'll go with number 2. Make sure you get the edge, even though the edge doesn't really want to stick. Just make sure it goes flat. Turn it around. Go for 3. If I can get it to go. I do see bubbles, but a lot of bubbles are 24, 48 hours and gone. But if we can get them out during the installation process, that's even better. That was a pretty big bubble. I don't think I've ever done, well, the closest to perfect was the Xiaomi Mix Fold. So next we're going to take an edge, if we can get an edge to come up and pull. Oh, not too bad. But sometimes it makes you feel worse about your progress than you actually should feel. This is the matte finish. Now you don't have all the glares that you had before, and I see one little bubble here. Of course, I will take after pictures. I did take a before picture. So far, so good. I still see that one little bubble here, but I think it'll be gone tomorrow. Let's go for the inside, people. First, we're going to do the same thing. This is completely covered in fingerprints. All glossy like it was before. I had no issues with the inner screen. That being said, let's go with the inner screen protector. It is numbered the same, 1, 2, 3, and we take off 1 first. And we make sure we have our stuff lined up correctly. So it's gonna go sideways in this one, people. The Oppo Find N was the same way. There is no camera, so you're kind of just lining it up based on what you see, but it almost has to be perfect. The Oppo Find N was the same. It wasn't the most fun to install. So you either have a gap at the bottom or the top. You're trying to line it up so that the gap is even and it's just not a gap in one place. So edge to edge on left to right, good. Top to bottom, slight gap. That's about as close to perfection as we're gonna get. Time to squeegee. And have no fear, these foldables are not as fragile as everybody wants to call them. None of them, I promise you. Let's go with 2. Gosh, that's huge. Why didn't they make this half and half? I want to make life harder for me. Let's go, people. Let's see. That was a pretty big piece. Let's go bottom, number 3. Did it when I did it. Let's see. Let's get that booger out of here. Got a nice little bubble here, people. All right. A couple little ones there, but let's see how they come out when I take this thing off. If I can find an edge. Let's find a good edge, people. Yeah, I messed up my Oppo Find N right at this point. Yeah, got a couple bubbles. See one in the crease right there, you see it? Yeah. Let's see. I get so focused on one thing, I'm like, oh, I gotta move trash out the way. Not bad for first day. And hopefully tomorrow those 2 little ones will be gone. They don't drive me nuts tonight and I'll buff them out. So this is the installation right after the installation. You see all the angles because I'm going to take pictures and show you the after. But I mean, it wasn't a bad installation from jump. Got a couple bubbles here that y'all probably can't even see on camera, but I can see in person. And this should be after. So now I'd like to thank you for stopping by and checking out the video that I shot for y'all the day before I went on vacation. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know down in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button. If you've enjoyed multiple videos on this channel, consider subscribing. Subscriptions are free, membership costs, and memberships have privileges. I'd like to thank my members. Special shout out to y'all. And if you'd like to donate to the channel, just to donate, to say, hey, appreciate your work, would like to contribute towards your channel, there's a super thanks button. You can hit that and leave a custom comment below. For all y'all who've been hanging out for these past couple years, I appreciate you. And I hope to catch you on the next video. Bye.